we will send parachutes on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Look up or we'll be gone.
On the 14th day of Christmas, Have a Knife Day gave to me this Boker Plus Advent Calendar, the 24 days of Knifemas. We're building this knife, and without any further ado, let us check out the box for number 14. Let me struggle as I try to get to this box. There you go. See, there. Much like life, that did not go perfectly. All right, hey, look, we got another scale. We have this OD green scale. And what you can see after we bring this over from our past days, you have selections. So here is this beautiful, feels like a canvas micarta, if I'm not mistaken, just by the way it looks. So you have a choice. You can either do carbon fiber scales or one side carbon fiber, the other side OD green. That's going to look fantastic. You're asking me, well, what do you think you're going to do, Mr. X? I think I'm going to do a 50-50. That's what it's looking like. So let me put this box back in here. There you go. Because I like to struggle. That's right. At the center of every pearl is a source of agitation, and Lord knows there is a lot of that. So we're looking at our blade and some of this hardware. We got a PVC patch, a challenge coin. Now, the patch and the challenge coin have the iconic tree for Boker. We have a neck gaiter and some hardware. And just think, well, before I say that, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing these daily, barring any kind of crazy work schedules that I have. We're going to be opening up one of these a day. Oh, last night I had my 82nd Airborne Association Christmas party, and I got a hat. There you go. So without any further ado, thank you so much for spending time here with me today. And just think, in 10 days, we're going to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.